Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you where you can find the baggage informations in the Vistara application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the three lines at the top of the page on the left. And then at the travel info section, click on the plus sign and click on the baggage button. So as you can see, there are four main topics that you can choose if you have some questions or problems regarding your baggage. So for example, if you want to learn more about loss damage or delayed baggage, just click on that button, and here will be a very brief description on the topic. And yeah, so that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.